Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know you're watching this video today, which tells me you're doing some research into affiliate marketing tips and techniques for beginners. Well, you're in the right place, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you some great tips and techniques that you can use in affiliate marketing to help you find success in your business. I know this YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started or looking for success in affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to click the subscribe button down below, and let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. And also, if you're looking to find or get some great results in affiliate marketing, if you grab my training course, a 4-day free video training series, I've clicked the link in the description below, and there's some great tips and strategies in there, how you can get started, how to find product to promote, how to stand out from the crowd, and be in a great place to find success in affiliate marketing. So let's have a look at some tips and techniques. We're going to jump into the computer, and I've got a great slideshow in there that I want you to have a look at. So let's have a look at affiliate marketing tips and techniques for beginners. The tip number one: find a good product. And it's very important to fully research the product, and you need to make sure that the product that you're promoting solves a problem for your customer, one that's going to ease a pain in their life. And it needs to be a product that you trust, that you believe in. And probably the best way to do this is to have actually used the product, be a product of the product, sort of test it, get results, find out how it's going to improve your customer's life and what benefits that they can expect and what results they can expect to achieve. And equally important, it needs to be a product with a good value ladder. Now let me explain what a value ladder is. So if you're selling, excuse me, if you're selling a product for $50 or that pays you $50, but there's no other products, no other upgrades or upsells from that supplier, that means you can only possibly earn $50 from that customer. I know if you have an income goal of, say, $10,000 a month, that means you need to sell 200 units, 200 products every single month, and that is going to be difficult, to say the least. It's probably not achievable. So if you look for a product which has got other complementary products available, upgrades, in this example here, there's a second product at $500 and a third product at $1,500. Now, not every single customer is going to buy these or all three products, but a percentage will. And so that means you will reach your income goal a lot quicker. It is important to say, though, that the products in an upsell in the sales funnel, they must be complementary products. They must be related directly to the initial product. So tip 2, build your list. Now, you may have heard the term your list, your email list, often known as your business gold, and this refers to the email addresses of the people that have opted in on your landing page, and it certainly is the biggest asset within your business. Now, why would you need to build an email list? Most people these days actually won't buy on first contact with you. They like to check you out, find out what you're all about before they make a decision to buy. And let's be honest, why would they? You are a total stranger to them. So how can you change that? What tips or technique can you use to change these strangers into loyal fans that will buy anything that you promote to them? The way to do that is by building trust. And you build trust by giving value. And then you give some more value, and then when you finish giving value, you give more value. This gets the customer to know you, gets them to like you, and like I've said, most importantly, gets them to trust you. Now, linked to tip number 2, you can communicate with your list by email, and these emails need to be full of value. Keep saying you need to give value, but it's so important. And these emails, they can contain useful information or free training, but it must be on the subject related to what the customer was searching for in the first place. Now, nobody likes the greasy salesman, the heavy-handed approach, constantly sending your list to the sales page. I know that's something that's been done for many years in affiliate marketing. You get someone opt into your on your landing page, and then they're sent to the sales page over and over again. But you must remember, a customer will only buy when they're ready to buy, and this could be anything to 1 or 2 months after the initial contact. So what you need to do is create plenty of content, and this can be in the form of videos with useful information and training, or blog articles, and anything that can be of interest or of use to your potential customer, because at this stage they are just a potential customer. They haven't bought anything off you yet. Now, all the time that you're sending these videos and blog articles to the potential customers, you can be gently pointing them in the direction of what it is you're promoting, but it's always in the hands of the customer. They'll go when they're ready to have a look. If they want to buy, they will buy. There's one way you can actually push this and make it happen a little bit easier or quicker, and that is to create your own irresistible offer. So you're promoting somebody else's product. After all, that's what affiliate marketing is. But if you can imagine, there are maybe hundreds of other affiliates selling or promoting the same product. So this is a very powerful way for you to get the customers to buy from you instead of another affiliate, and that's by offering some bonuses, a selection of bonuses, and these can be in the form of an ebook, a PDF, more training, or the very powerful one, the one-to-one phone consultation. All this will add value to the customer, and again, all the bonuses must be directly related to what the customer was searching for. And finally, tip 5, invest in your education. Now, I've said it many times that affiliate marketing, it's not easy. I mean, if it was easy, we'd all be doing it and we'd all be millionaires. But that said, it's not difficult with the right training, the right direction, and most importantly, the right support. So you do need to invest in your education to learn the skills that you're going to need to be able to build a business. And affiliate marketing is just that. It is a business, and it's a business that can pay you handsomely for the rest of your life. Well, hope you found that useful. Hope you got some value from that. If so, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the box below. I'd love to get some feedback, know what you think, if that was any help to you, or if there's any other topics within affiliate marketing you'd like me to cover in a future video, please get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. And like I mentioned earlier, if you click the link in the description directly below this video, you can get access to my 4-day free video training series. Some great tips and strategies in there, some great techniques and ways of starting affiliate marketing and getting on the road to success. Love to see you in there. Well, it's been good to talk to you today. I hope you found that interesting. It all made sense. It's been good to talk to you. Bye-bye now.